Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking for the best rearview dash cam in this video? I will show you the top 5 best rearview dash cam to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 in our list is Axio 4K Car DVR Mirror Dash Cam. Specifications. Brand name, Axio. Maximum video frame rate, 30. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 9.88 inches. Number 4 is iNavi Car DVR 4K Dash Cam. Specifications. Brand name, iNavi. Weight, 1.2 kilograms. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Video code, MJPG. Number of lenses, 1. Pixels, 1800 mega. Display size, 9.88. Interface, Bluetooth, micro SD/TF. Chipset manufacturer, Allwinner. Frames per second, 25. As the item number 3 we selected, EAS 2.5K car video recorders. Specifications. Brand name, EAS. Aperture, f1.8. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Video format, MOV, TS. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 500 mega. Chipset manufacturer, Allwinner. Frames per second, 30. Number 2 is EAS Dash Cam. Specifications. Brand name, EAS. Display, IPS. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Video code, H.264. Video format, AVI. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, GC2053. Pixels, 800 mega. Chipset manufacturer, Allwinner. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Togard 12 inches car DVR mirror. Specifications. Brand name, Togard. Aperture, f1.8. Maximum video frame rate, 30. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Display size, 11.88 inches. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon.